So very good evening students. Already we have learnt about area and perimeter of different objects. So in area and perimeter we were dealing with two-dimensional objects. But now we are going to read about the next topic, that is volume. Now what is volume? Volume means the space which is occupied by an object, and the object is a three-dimensional object. Earlier the objects that you were using, it had only length and breadth. But in case of a three-dimensional object, you will also find another thing that is called thickness or height of the object. Okay. So we have the definition of volume, that is the space occupied by an object or capacity of an object. Now what do you understand by the capacity of the object? Suppose I will take this example. You can see this is a bottle. Okay. This is a bottle and this is another bottle. Can you see the size of this bottle and this bottle? Which one has got more capacity? Obviously, this bottle is having more capacity than this bottle. Okay, so that means volume of this bottle is more than this. So capacity is something which has to go with volume. Okay, similarly, I can take a cuboidal shape also. This is a cuboid object. Okay, this is a cuboid shape, three-dimensional object. You can see, if I will compare this is another cuboid, okay, which is having more space, which can hold more space inside. So this object can hold more in it, and this object is having less, it occupies less space than this object. Okay, so volume of this object is more. So in this chapter we are going to deal with volume of cube and cuboid. Okay, basically we are going to deal with only these two objects. Okay, now before I start, first I will tell you what is a cube. So first of all, write down the definition of a cube. So a cube is a solid box. A cube is a cube is a cube is a solid box whose surface is a square of squares of same area. Now what does this definition exactly mean? I can draw a cube and show you what does this exactly mean. Suppose we have this cube over here. Okay, and this cube, it has got squares. You can see all these faces of the cube, they are looking like a square. Yes or no? They look like a square. Squares of same area. Okay, each of this is looking like squares of same area. Okay, now let me tell you what is vertices, what is edge, and what is face. If I will tell you this particular square, then this is called as the face of the cube. This corner, this point, it is called as the vertex of the cube. And then another thing is there, that is called edge. Okay, the line which is joining two faces together, that line is called as the edge of the cube. Okay, now a cube has total 6 faces. So I am writing here 6, and it has got around 8 vertices. Okay, so 8 vertices you have in a cube. Vertex plural form is vertices. And how many edges does it have? have around 12 edges. Let me show you a cube to understand it better. Okay, it looks like a cube. Okay, you can see there are 6 faces. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total 6 faces are there, we have written. It has got 8 vertices. How? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total 8 vertices it is having. It has got 12 edges. How it is so? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges the cube is having. Okay. Now how to take out the volume of this cube? See, a cube is what we have read the definition. Cube surfaces are squares of same area. It means the face of the cube has got equal edges. Means the edges of a cube are same, are equal in length. Okay. So we will write an important point here. Edges of a cube are of equal length. Now, how to take out volume of this cube? See, first let me tell you how to take out volume of any solid object. Okay. Volume of a solid object is area of its base into height. In case of a cube, we have all its sides or edges as equal. Okay. So what is area of one face of the cube? So if we have to take out, suppose I will write down all its edges as L. Okay, this is the thickness is L, length is L and breadth is also L. Okay, if I have to take out area of one face of cube, then what we will get? L into L. Okay, L into L. Now suppose I have to take out volume of cube, then what it will be? It will be area of one face of the cube into height. Okay, so that is L into L, and we know from this figure, from this diagram, the height is also L. Okay, so we are writing L into L into L. Okay, so that means what? That means what? This means volume of cube is equal to edge into edge into edge. Now we come to the next figure, that is our cuboid. Okay. First of all, write down the definition of cuboid. What is a cuboid? Okay, first question. So cuboid is called a solid box. Cuboid is called a solid box whose every surface is a rectangle of same area. Okay, What is a cuboid? Cuboid is a solid box whose every surface is a rectangle of same area, or also it can be of different areas, children. How it is possible, I will show you through a diagram. So here is how we are drawing a cuboid. This is a rectangle first you will draw, and from the rectangle itself it will be easier to draw a cuboid. Okay, you can see the area of each faces of a cuboid is not same. If I will consider this face and I will consider this corner, this face, they both are not equal. And even the ceiling part, you see, that is also not equal. Okay, so if I will consider one corner, suppose this corner I will take for example. Okay, then if you will say one edge which is coming out like this, so this longer one you take it as L because it was length. Okay, this one you or this one you take it as breadth or width. Okay, and this one will be the height. Then how to take out the area of the cuboid? Right here, area of the cuboid, volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid, again same thing, area of one of its face into height. So suppose I consider this particular area, okay, this particular area, I am putting dots also. This particular face I will take out the area, then what it will be, L into B. Okay, it will be what? L into B. And what will be the height? Height is this. This is your height of the cuboid. Okay, so L into B into H. So, therefore, volume of cuboid equal to length into breadth into height. I hope you all have understood. Okay. Now since volume involves three sides, okay, in cube also you have seen, in cuboid also you have seen, it involves three sides. So it is measured in cubic units. Okay. So the unit of volume, or you will say volume is measured in cubic units. I will show you a table, okay, wherein if you know the unit of side, then you can take out unit of volume very easily. Okay. Suppose I have here unit of side, and this side I have unit of volume. Okay. Suppose my unit of side is millimeter. Then what will be the unit of volume? Unit of volume will be millimeter into millimeter into millimeter. That is millimeter cube. Or you also write it as cubic millimeter. Cubic millimeter. Suppose the unit of side is centimeter, cm. Then what will be the unit of volume? It will be centimeter cube or cubic. Cubic shortcut you can write cu also. Cu cm. Okay. for meter, it will be meter cube or cubic meter. CUM, that is cubic meter. Now let us do an example, okay, to understand it even better. The question is, what is the volume of a cube whose side is 8 centimeter? Okay, so the question means that we have a cube here. We have a cube here. Okay, we have a cube here and each side of this cube is 8 centimeter. Okay, each side of this cube is 8 centimeter. So now, how to take out the volume of the cube? We know the formula to take out volume of the cube. Volume of the cube equal to side into side into side. That is equal to 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter. 8 8 just 64. What is 64 into 8? 4 8 is 32, carry 3. 8 6 is 48 plus 3, 51. So 512 cubic centimeter. This is your answer to this question. Now let us take another example. What is volume of a box whose length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Okay, so how to answer this type of question? See, because length, breadth and height all are different. Okay, that means definitely this box is in the shape of what? The shape is a cuboid. You know how to draw a cuboid? This is how you draw a cuboid. Okay, and this cuboid, the length is what? 5 centimeter. Okay, breadth is 4 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Okay, so let us find. Write down the formula. Volume of cuboid equal to length into breadth into height. What is length? The length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. 5 4s are 20 and 20 into 8 is how much? 160. So 160 cubic centimeter. This is our required answer. Now we have a cuboid here. In this cuboid, the volume is given to you. That is 640 centimeter cube. You also know what is the breadth. This is the breadth of the cuboid, that is 5 centimeter. This is the height of the cuboid, which is 8 centimeter. But you don't know what is the length of this cuboid. So length you don't know. How we will take out? Okay. What we know here, we know that volume of the cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Okay. Now, if I have to take out L, okay, so this is my LHS and this is my RHS. First, let me interchange these two sides, what will I get? L into B into H equal to V. Okay, we have to take out L, so B and H we have to remove from here. For that, what we will do? We have to divide B into H in both the sides. So what we will write? L into B into H by B into H equal to V by B into H. I am writing the reason here, dividing B into H on both sides. Okay, so this B and this B both will get cut. This H and this H will also get cut. So what is remaining here is L, that is the length of the cuboid, is equal to V, that is the volume of the cuboid, by breadth into height. In this very formula, you can use to take out this answer. Okay. So, implies L equal to volume is 640 centimeter cube by breadth is 5 centimeter into 8 centimeter. That is your height. Okay. Now, first we will cut 640. Okay. First we will cut 640 by 8. What are we going to get? We get 8 is 64 and 0. 80 centimeter cube. 80 you get, and then 5 you will cut with 80. You know that 16 5s are 80. So 5 16s are 80. So our final answer will be length of the cuboid is equal to 16, and length will be, the unit will be a single centimeter. Okay, it will not be any cube or anything, because cubic unit is only for volume, because you are taking out only length, so the unit will remain as centimeter. Okay, in other ways there is also, if you want to find out the unit, you see centimeter cube, you are dividing it by centimeter into centimeter. Okay, and what you mean by centimeter cube? It is centimeter into centimeter into centimeter and by centimeter into centimeter. So this centimeter and this centimeter get cut. This centimeter and this centimeter cut. So what is remaining? Only centimeter. So that is what is the unit of the length. Okay, if you are getting confusion in units, you can apply this method in finding the unit. Okay, children? So, just like how you have take out length of the cuboid, similarly, you can also take out breadth of the cuboid when volume, length and height is given to you. So, the formulas will be like this. If suppose I have to take out breadth, then the formula will be V by L into H. That is volume by length into height. And suppose I have to take out height of the cuboid when our volume is given, length is given and breadth is provided. So, in that case your H equal to V by L into B. So, you have to remember these formulas in order to solve different type of questions as provided to you. Okay? Let us solve now exercise 13.4. Let us do the first question here. The first question asks you to find out the volume of a cuboid whose dimensions are length equal to given as 11 centimeter, breadth equal to 8 centimeter and height equal to 5 centimeter. So we know that the volume of the cuboid, because length, breadth and height, three things are different. So we know that the volume of the cuboid is equal to what? Length into breadth into height, L into B into H. That is equal to 11 centimeter into 8 centimeter into 5 centimeter. That is equal to 8 5s are 40. 40 into 11 is 440 centimeter cube. This is your answer. Now let us move to the next question. Okay, we have total 4 bits here. So remaining questions, please do it yourself. Now we will come to the next bit, that is next question, that is 2. I am doing number bit A. The question is, you have to find the volume of the cube whose side is 4 centimeter. So we know that volume of cube equal to side into side into side. That is equal to 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter. That is equal to 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 centimeter to the power 3 centimeter cube. Now we will continue with the exercise and we will now solve question number 3. It is a word sum, children, and question number 4 is also a word sum. I will do number 3. 4 you do it yourself because similar type it is. Okay. What is question number 3? The question is, the volume of an iron box is 140 meter cube. This is the first statement. So you write down the same thing in your answer also. Volume of iron box equal to 140 centimeter cube. This is the first statement. Sorry, it is meter cube, not centimeter cube. Write down meter cube. Okay. Now the next statement is, breadth and height of the box is 7 meter and 2 meter. So you write breadth of iron box equal to 7 meter. Then height of the iron box equal to 2 meter. It is given in your question. Now, how to take out the length of the iron box? The question is, you have to find its length. Okay. So, therefore, length of iron box equal to volume by breadth into height. Already we know how to take out this formula. Okay. Breadth into height. Okay. So our volume is how much? It is 140 meter cube by breadth is 7 meter and height is 2 meter. Now let us do the cancellation. 7 will cut 140. 7 ones are 7 and 7 20s are 140 and 2 10s are 20. So our answer is 10 meter cube. Sorry, it is length. So you don't write meter cube. It will be 10 meter. Okay. Now we will solve some questions of let's evaluate. Now we will solve some questions of let's evaluate. Look at the first question of let's evaluate. The first question is, find the perimeter and area of a rectangular field whose length and breadth are 17.5 meter and 8.4 meter respectively. Children, you know what is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. It is 2 into L plus B. And you know what is the area of a rectangle, that is L into B. You are already given the dimension of length and breadth, that is 17.5 meter and 8.4 meter respectively. Okay, so you can take it out yourself. Okay, so let us move to the next question. The next question is, Devesh has a square chart paper of side 20 centimeter. Side of the chart paper is 20 centimeter and it is a square one. That means all the sides are equal. Now he wishes to cut small squares each of side 5 centimeter from this chart. Okay. Now, how many squares will Devesh have? See, first of all, the big square area you will take out. Big square chart paper, that area you will take out. The small pieces, square pieces of chart paper, that area you will take out. Okay, you will divide both the areas. Then you will get how many small square pieces you can cut. Okay, so let us do this one. Number 2. So area of square chart paper. Area of square chart paper. Okay, equal to, what is the area of square? That is side into side, we know. So it will be 20 centimeter, which is the side of the square chart paper. So you will write here 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter. That is equal to 400 centimeter square. This is the area of the square chart paper. Now the next line is, he want to cut small squares. Okay. So you will write area of a small square. Area of small square equal to, the side is 5 centimeter. So it will be 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. That is equal to 25 centimeter square. Now we have to take out the number of square pieces you can cut from the square chart paper. Okay. So therefore, number of square pieces cut by Devesh equal to area of square chart paper by area of small square. That is equal to, we already took out, it is 400 centimeter square divided by 25 centimeter square. So let us divide it. Okay, first we will divide it by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40, 0. Again 5 16s are 80. And centimeter square also get cut. So what is our answer? The answer is 16. Okay, number of square pieces cut by Devesh equal to 16. So this is our answer. Now we move to the next question, that is number 3 of let's evaluate. The question is, perimeter of a square shaped box is 72 centimeter and what is its area? Okay, it is a square shaped box, children. So it is of equal sides. The square shape will have equal side. So if one of its side is 72, then the area will be 72 into 72 centimeter square. I hope you all can take it out yourself. Okay, sorry. It is perimeter, na? Not area. Sorry. So what we will do is we will divide, because perimeter of a square shaped box is 72 centimeter. That is 4 into side makes our perimeter. If I have to take out one side of the square shaped box, then what I have to do? If I have to take out one side of the square shaped box, then what we will do? We have to divide the perimeter by 4, okay, and then that side into side will give your area. Okay, let us do this question. This is our number 3. Okay, so you write here perimeter of square box equal to 72 centimeter. This is given to you. Therefore, side of square box is equal to 72. You have to divide it by 4. That much centimeter. So, how much it will come? 4 1s are 4 and 4 8s are 32. So, 18 centimeter. That is the side of the square box. Now, we have to take out area of the square box. So, area of square box equal to 18 centimeter into 18 centimeter, because side into side will give you the area. So let us take out this 18 into 18. 8 8 is 64. 8 1 is 8 plus 6 40. 18 1 is 80. 4 12. Okay, 324 centimeter square. And this is our answer. Now we move to the next question, that is number 4. Number 4 is you have to find the volume of a cuboidal suitcase whose length is 40 centimeter, breadth is 32 centimeter and height is 2.8 decimeter. See children, here many students will make a mistake. They will simply multiply length into breadth into height, because you know the volume is length into breadth into height. But you are forgetting the units. Okay, you should remember the unit has to be same for all the 3 things, that is length, breadth and height. Here you see the length is 40 centimeter given, breadth is 32 centimeter given, but what about height? It is 2.8 decimeter. So there goes the thing. So you have to convert this decimeter into centimeter, like for length and breadth, and then you can easily take out the volume of the cuboidal suitcase. So this question you can do it yourself, I hope. Okay, and question number 5. Find the volume of a cube whose side is 7.5 decimeter. You can simply take out 7.5 into 7.5 into 7.5. But what will be the unit? It will be decimeter, dm cube. Okay? Okay then. So thank you children.